serious right now.
So if you don't want to cry like I do, I'll keep away from the runarounds too.
Fucking body presser. What they said.